Have you ever wondered, well, how to write a prompt? I searched this question online and I, to be honest, sometimes I just feel a little bit funny because I've seen a lot of websites that say, hey, I will teach you how to write better prompts. Join this prompt engineer course. And I just don't think this is a good idea to be a so-called prompt engineer or join the course to become better prompt because you know AI can help you do that. So don't spend your time memorizing all these magic prompts like some some magic incantation, something like that. Don't do that because in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically get the keyword out from any image. Let's get to it. So right now I got this just some defaults workflow. I'm going to clear everything. Let's start from scratch. So first I want to load an image, any image. Right now I'm choosing my drawing. Of course you can choose whatever image that you download online or your use some camera to take a photo on the street. Doesn't really matter. And I choose anime drawing practice. It's a anime girl that's showing a V, and we got this like merry-go-round as a background, and I Gaussian blur everything just sort of make a depth of field effect like you are using a camera taking a photo for an anime girl. And for those just in order for you guys to actually see it, I use a technique. So yeah, you have to make a how to say, you have to make it a output in order to actually be able to click the Q prompt. If there's no output, just a simple load image, sometimes it will not load. And since I'm like using a collab sort of and the combination of Cloudflare as a sort of web service, so sometimes the the transfer of the image will be a little bit laggy. So I have to like sort of manually trigger the refresh in order to do that. If you like doing that on your computer, I don't think there will be a problem. You just choose. You don't need to upload. In fact, you just choose the local file, and it will automatically be shown. You don't need this like a connecting. Okay, I'm using a cloud server because I'm like you know um, have a portable setup and I travel all the time, so I want just to quickly get this down. So yeah, after it's sort of loaded, let's find the word, find the prompt about this image. So what I'm going to do is to use a node or a model called WD14 Tagger. So what is the tagger anyway? So Tagger, if you watch my another channel, I also got a coding channel because I work as a programmer in a finance industry, a finance company. So I share a little bit about data science as well as machine learning in that channel. Also used, by the way, Colab. Okay, Colab is basically used for machine learning and training in the data science. But yeah, we could also use it for art. So this is a kind of hack. But let's go back to Tagger. So in data science, Tagger is, you got a lot of things, a lot of data, right? It's an area of big data. So if you want to add, say, metadata to your data, and you want to quickly do that. So there was some model trained to quickly do that. You add this data tagger and you will automatically add a lot of tag. Just as a name, it's a self-explanatory, I think. Just automatically add the tag to your data, okay? But the prompt is sort of like a tag, so it's sort of like a reverse engineering. You got the prompt and you automatically generate image, or you use a image and you automatically add meta tag data. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is to actually use tagger to this image, okay? And we are going to, I think if you follow my previous video, like the first video of how to use Cloudflare as well Colab for this kind of thing, and follow my workflow, we got like a notebook shared, by the way. Join the Patreon, you can just download it, and you automatically already have this installed, and already download that in your Google Drive. And so what I'm going to do is to double click and search for that tagger. So I believe it's the WD14 Tagger. Okay, use this and you can get a decent tag. So what I'm going to do right now is to have a image as input and as a string as output. That's amazing. So image, I got image, just to make it here, and we have a string output there. So what I'm going to do is to simply run the tag right now and wait for the amazing thing happens. Yeah, just you wait for a few seconds. You can see, if you can't see it, maybe it's just too small. That's the reason why I just drag it, make it bigger. So if you look here, we're using the WD14. I prefer to call that 14. Sometimes you may see like 1.4, but I prefer 14. Okay, mode tagger, of course you can change different tagger. Right now I prefer the like default one, and you can see the tag. It's amazing. Let me zoom in a little bit. Can I zoom in? Yeah, I can. So it will automatically give you one girl, solo, long hair, looking at the viewer, blush, smile. Yeah, even got a blush. Oh my gosh. I intentionally using a round, soft brush for that brush, for the blush, and AI already recognized it. It's amazing, right? And smile, open mouth. Yeah, she's like doing this, and it's open mouth. Ban, yeah, she got a ban, by the way. She got a ban. Okay, smile, that's good. And school uniform. Yeah, kind of like a Sailor Moon sort of school uniform. Yeah, good. Purple eye. Oh my gosh, purple eye. And upper body is not like a whole body. Okay, pink hair. Yeah. When I draw this, I use like a VRM model for me, and that VRM got a pink hair, so I think why not just draw a pink hair girl. Yeah, got pink hair. Got Sarah Kufu. I don't know what is this. It's a kind of a Japanese. Okay, I'm going to quickly check it out. Oh, it's an English for Japanese sailor fuku. Yeah, I got it. I got it. So it's a sailor fuku. I don't know why. Yeah, I already checked the Wikipedia. Sailor fuku. Fuku means the clothes. So it's sailor, right? So it's like a katakana no, or yeah. I'm not bothering you to translate it to Japanese for you, but you just know it's that kind of seifuku. You know, seifuku means uniform. Okay, seifuku, and yeah, pretty interesting. Just a kind of a school uniform, and yeah, good. Yeah, so that's the sailor fuku. Yeah, it's kind of interesting way to say Japanese. Blunt, band, sailor, collar, blurry. That's good. I intentionally use like the Gaussian blur for the background, blurry. English text. That's my watermark. LearnDigitalArt.com is a website I did, and then William Jamming. You even got the English text. Neckerchief V, yeah, so V sign, and blur background, and W. I'm not sure why it's a W here. Maybe it's like William Jamming's W. Yeah, that's good. So you got this text. Really simple. Okay, so next time you want write prompt, you can use a image as a reference and use this kind of tagger to quickly let AI to quickly like generate a bunch of it's like a key point, like a metadata for the thing that you want to generate, and then add something creative. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all for this video, and I think next video we're going to apply this, because right now you just got an image at input, we got a bunch of text, but text also in programming is called string, and we can have some sort of data wrangling by using this string, and you can use this as another input and sort of make your own visual coding, creative generating machine for your project. Okay, so everything will be like streamlined, automatic. It's amazing, trust me. So if you love this series, do please give me a thumbs up. So this series is a little bit different because our channel mainly is about digital art. So this series is how digital artists can use this kind of tool to boost your creativity and combine this to your workflow. Okay, thanks, bye. If you haven't already, yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, many thanks.